Okay, well, while I wait for some information on what the correct dip switches settings are for current and micro stepping on those motors for this G0704 conversion I'm working on, figure it's an opportunity to evaluate this work here and finish, trueness, squareness, just general build of the kit, shall we say. Right off the bat, I noticed that it hasn't been deburred very well. Let's see if we can get closer here. But you can sort of see an edge there, maybe. I can definitely feel the sharp edge from the milling process there. To evaluate the squareness and all that, I have a 1, 2, 3 block here to see how flat surfaces are. I'm also going to use a Starrett Machinist right angle. And this is within like I think 10 hundredths, thousandths. I think this is like within 10 thousandths of an inch of true. So that'll let us see the parallelism of how parallel surfaces are. And then we have ourselves a Starrett micrometer, or this is not a micrometer actually, but see if we can get that focused in. This is good to, what is it, 10 hundred thousandths of an inch for size. I'll do all the measurements in metric. Since it's made in China, right? You would hope they use all metric screws and fasteners, so to stay in the same flavor of things. And we'll put that to the side here. So let's just start with the x-axis here. I want to sort of temporarily assemble it. And you can see get a better idea of what it looks like here. Secure, there we go. Just typical bolts. There's some dents in the finishes, that may just be the packing. The chamfer, there is an attempt to chamfer it, it looks like, which was actually done across the part. Same here, it's very uneven chamfer. Looks like it was probably done on a belt sander or something like that. And it's not chamfered on all sides, and then they decided not to chamfer like this side here. I don't know if you can see that here, but you can see that edge there. And then we go to the other edge here, and it's just a straight edge. It's not even chamfered. There's a little bit of a burr there. I want to go around. I'm going to finish it off. All these parts probably have to do a deburring tool. Let's take a look at the saddle holder here. Looks like this was chamfered as well. You can see sort of that edge shining there, and looks like that's not even a straight tap. It's off right there. See how this screw is bent in compared to this screw, which is straight. So looks like there was a tapping issue here, or the hole wasn't drilled straight, which is hard to believe, but sure appears that way. I'll check to see if that screw's bent, but my money's on it. The hole is not straight. Then we go to the base plate here. Yeah, there's no deburring there. Then there's a chamfering done, looks like with a belt sander, very uneven. You can see the width change in the chamfer. Yeah, very rough, very rough. Very coarse sand belt was used to chamfer this part down. So anyways, let's see what we got here. We'll break out the square and see how parallel these surfaces are. That one doesn't look too bad. So with all the burrs on it, it's going to throw it off. But there's a little notch built into it to sort of mitigate that. Yeah, the part looks, at least the surface is parallel between the side here. Try the other side. I should be using the feeler gauge underneath that and the side, but I'm just looking to see if I see light through it. Since I have a white table, it's pretty easy to see when it's off. Let's try these outer edges here. The finish is very dull, which is sort of interesting for a machine part. So I don't know what that's about. I don't know how that was accomplished, but you can see like a start and stop here. It looks like there's a defect in the side here. But I'm going to go grab the deburring tool here and I'll knock these burrs off of it and then at least get it one step closer to putting in. Okay, back to the x-axis again. I got my real complicated deburring tool, and then this one here. I don't have a belt sander or anything like that, so I keep it simple. Yeah, there's a massive burr right here. We'll run it along there, knock that off. To get the edge, something about the hand burring deburring tool, it doesn't work when